Hey everybody, okay, we're back. Now I've mentioned in previous videos that I like to experiment over the campfire with different recipes and whatnot. So that's what we're going to try today. Now I picked up this stuff here at Dollar General. I mean, this whole thing didn't even cost me $3. So we're going to try to make basically breakfast for dinner. So first thing we're going to do, I'm going to start out, since I haven't done this before. So yeah, this can be an experiment for both of us. So we're going to have success or crash and burn. Let's see how it goes. I'm going to start out with 4 eggs. And let me, pardon me. Let me put my trash in. 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are just, standard large eggs. I'm going to start out with 4 because I don't know how that pan's going to fill up. So I can wipe my hands off on them. That's nice. And a little bit of salt. Easy does it. Always add more. Pepper. Yeah, I know that's a lot of pepper. Love my pepper. Alright, now we're going to add just a little bit of water. Not even maybe a quarter cup's worth. Going to guesstimate that. And there's a reason behind that. Now we're going to mix these up. So give me a second and I'll get this done. Okay, now we're going to cook it in this pan. I got this one for, hopefully we can make pancakes too. So keep the eggs from sticking. Give that a good squirt. Pour that in there and see what that amount looks like. Well, it looks like a decent amount. I think 4 will do. I brought a 5th one as a just in case. Okay. Put that away. That aside. And also picked this up. I noticed it in the store. It's already pre-cooked. If I can hold it steady, hands are a little shaky. Black Label real chopped bacon. Okay, so we're going to throw some of that in there. Oh, don't need that thing. I want to go a little easy on it. Like I said, this is our experiment, so let's not go crazy. Well, we got a little bit in there, and I always add more to the top. Now, yeah, that's bacon all right. Something greasy there. Set this aside. Your heavy duty foil. Already got the fire going. It's been going for a bit. Now, the reason we put water in there is because we want to generate steam. And that's what's going to cook the top of the egg. So I'm going to seal this up good. But I like little tabs on there. That way I can open it up and check it periodically. All right, let's get this thing on the fire. On my hot spot. About there. Not all that hot. Go ahead and drop that down. Maybe. There we go. Ooh, pop. All right, let's get that about 15 minutes and we'll check it. Okay guys, that's our first 15 minutes. Let's take a peek. So this is a, whoa, that wasn't good. This is all experimental. Let's take a look at, oh my goodness, look at that. It's done. Oh my God. So we're gonna keep that like that. Now, part 2. Oh, I know what we'll do. Let's pull this try to do this without burning our fingers and not losing that. Look. Oh, it's not so hot. Look at that. My goodness. Guys, this is the first time I've ever done this. This is, I'm amazed. But sorry for the delay. Please hold on. Technical difficulties. I want to throw some cheese on that dude. I've used this stuff before. This is awesome cheese. I'm telling you right now. We're going to put some cheese on here. Let's try not to get too crazy. Remember, experimenting. First time. Now, I'm just going to put a new one on here. I'm going to cover this back up. Wow, 4 eggs, roughly a 1/4 cup of water, 15 minutes. Fire's pretty hot, so. Now, let's get ready for part 2. So bear with me just a second. I'll be right back. Oh, before I was interrupted, actually, I'm going to get this pan ready. So I'm going to go ahead and spray my nice non-stick. We're going to set this on fire and get it heating up. So I'll be right back and we'll get the pancakes ready. Okay guys, I got the pan on there. We'll give it about I got a timer going, about 3 to 5 minutes to heat up. Now this is I just brought this with me. It's just regular pancake mix where you just add water. I cut the measurements in half. It said 1.5 cups of water for 2 cups. I figured that's a lot of pancakes, so I just cut it in half, made a little note. 1 cup equals 3/4 cup of water, so may have to get some more water. Let's see. My horrible vision. There we go. Oh, look at there. 3/4 cup. We got a little bit left over. Okay, so now, alright, this is a lot cheaper than buying those ones that you just, it comes in the container, add water, shake it up. That's like almost $4 for one of those. This, for $4, I can get 2 boxes of pancake mix, or at least 1.5 boxes. Add that. Close him back up. Even has his own little pour spout. And we will start the mixing process. Now you can always add more water, which I may need to do. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, it definitely needs more water. So we're gonna, 3/4. It's gonna make it a little bit closer to a cup. Yeah, I just suck that water right up. Trying to make a good batter consistency, get all the dry stuff off the bottom. Never done this before either, so hey, it's an experiment for all of us. That looks pretty good. I think I can thin it out just a little bit more. Let's just go ahead and do that. You want to be careful. I didn't bring any more pancake mix, so you can't really take water away. Trying to get to a good batter consistency. And it's a little thin, I'll admit, but usually if it's a little thin, you let it sit for a minute or two, it'll thicken up. So we're just going to let that sit for a minute. We'll put that back on the fire for a last 3 minutes to make sure that cheese gets melted. But I wanted to definitely stop the egg cooking process. Eggs can burn pretty easy, so if you're not careful. So let's see. Why am I thinking I'm forgetting something? I don't think I am. All right, let's pause here. All right, folks. Let's just sit for a minute. Let's see what let's see what happens. Yep, that's definitely thin. All right, let's give that a minute. All right, guys, I may have gotten a little bit too much water in there. So far, pancake number 1 looks to be pretty much a dead-on failure. So let's keep working with it. All right, guys, well, the pancake seems to be coming out more like a crepe than a pancake. I think I got my batter too thin, and I've been repositioning this over fire. I don't think I got my pan hot enough. I think that was a big thing, because after it sat there a minute, it actually started to bubble like a normal pancake would. So let's keep continuing. This is an experiment, so we can get it right the next time. All right, folks, well, this first one is a train wreck. So may have let my fire get a little too low. Let's see. Yeah, there's not much going on there, is there? Still putting out a good amount of heat, though. So I think it was fire mismanagement that was my issue here. So let's take a pause, see if I can fix that. All right, now we get the fire fixed. Let's try this again. Let's go a little bit, not, whoa, that sounds good. Okay, we are definitely on an angle. Let's give that a shot. Trying to be careful here. Wasn't careful enough. And look at there. Starting to look like a pancake. All right, let's give that a minute. All right, let's. Ooh, that face full of smoke. Damn. Hazards cooking over fire. It's not looking too bad. That's firmed up pretty good. Give it a minute here and we'll try another one. May want to spray that pan again too. All right, we got that one off. Let's see if we can, let's try the, let's see. I can tell where the hottest spot is. No, not really. Slide that over a little bit. All right, it's a little smaller. Give that guy 2 minutes. Pancake batter on my phone. Awesome. All right, give it 2 minutes, see what happens. I went and threw a couple more on there, just trying to locate the hot spot. It looks like it's right where I started. So we'll keep an eye on these. That one side don't look too bad. Only 2 minutes. We'll give it another 2 and see what we got. All right, this time I went big. I can see how this is all going. Oh, this one's gonna stick. Like this pump too. Okay, as far as our experiment goes, as far as pancakes in this fashion, we'll see how they taste. I'll give them a try, but I'm thinking train wreck here. It's just, it's an idea. That's why I like experiment with these. I wanted to take you guys along on the experiment, and we'll see what happens. Yeah, I know I already flipped it. Goofy machine. What are you going up there? All right, everybody. Let's see how this. Sorry, I've got a bad knee. It's been acting up on me today. This whole breakfast for dinner thing worked out. I just warmed the eggs back up here just for a few minutes. Pancakes, so far, they do not look good. I think fire mismanagement, and I got too much water in the batter. Or it's just not meant to be. So let's get these out. Oh, I can smell that. Oh, look at there. The cheese melted on there nicely. Whew, let's see if we can get that dude out of there. Make sure that's not too hot. Might be. Oh my goodness. Look at that. It's like a giant egg pancake. Oh, this is definitely more than for one person. Ooh, boy, I bet you if you wrap that up in a tortilla or something. Oh, not too much sticking to the pan either. All right, well, gotta get me something to drink and breakfast. All right. I brought some milk, especially if I want to have something that might have syrup on it. Yeah, good old milk. It's starting to be a little colder, but I can complain. Well, let's try this guy first. This thing came out awesome. It's kind of a big bite, but here we go. Wow, that is fantastic. Oh my God. So far for the no skillet, campfire cooked egg, almost an omelet per se, flat one. I wonder, you probably could roll that up, but that came out pretty thick too. That was just 4 eggs. I'd say this definitely is a winner. And with prep time and everything, you're talking like, you know, not counting getting the fire going, 20 minutes? I mean 15 of that was cooking. You mix up the eggs, throw some stuff in there. I should have, I'll do it next time, chopped up some onion, those little skinny green onions, and put that in here. That'd have been great. All right, now, I made it. Let's, gee. Oh, they don't even look overly appetizing, folks, but we're gonna try it. Fly. I don't think I'm gonna need a lot of syrup. Kind of spongy. Well, it's okay. I mean, they are done. They're not horrible. You can definitely tell the batter was way too thin. But they are cooked. Don't look it. Especially this guy. But yeah. They're cooked through. This one could probably use another minute or two. Wouldn't hurt it. Actually, not too bad. I'm surprised. Scale 1 to 10, I give it about a 4. That 9 plus. Excuse me. But folks, we got sharp cheddar cheese that melted on top. Got the bacon inside. Look at that. 15 minutes over a campfire. And that was a good deal. Okay, I got these at I want to say Dollar General. Or I think it's called something else. This one's got the green banner. Everything's generally $1, but this was only like $1.25 for this thing. So definitely a way to go. You know, I like to keep things minimal, light. I know you can do the exact same thing probably with a cast iron skillet, but what, 8 ounces versus 8 pounds? Plus, this is going to clean up so much easier than a cast iron skillet. I've ruined a cast iron skillet or two in my time, or it seems I have. And I don't have to take it home. I don't have to season it and then clean it and then re-season it. All I can do is wash the damn thing. So that's why I like to try to find different methods of cooking that get the job done. And that definitely got the job done. So I want to say thank you to everybody out there for coming along on my campfire cooking experiment. We have the eggs, huge success. Pancakes, not so much. So the entire meal altogether, I'd give it a, due to the pancake factor, 7.5. 8 would be generous, I think. But it's mostly because of the egg. It's amazing. Wow. I mean, I don't even have to add any more salt and pepper to it, which I typically do. So, thank you so much for coming along on my little experimental camping, cooking, campfire cooking adventure. And you folks take care, and hit that thumbs up, and maybe we'll do some more experimentation over the fire. Or if you got some suggestions, throw them at me. Let's see what we can do, get creative, and cook over an open fire. That's how they originally did it, so that's why I like to do it. So, you folks take care, and I'll see you soon. Okay guys, future episode. I threw this on here while we were doing the breakfast thing, so. Making bread over a campfire. So actually looks like this actually might work, so. We're gonna save that for another one. Take care, everybody. See, that's the problem. You have a fire, all that ash comes up. But that looks interesting. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And everybody, take care out there. We'll see you soon.